Hello and welcome. Previously, I told you how you can create a database. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can delete a database, how you can add a table into the database, how you can add data into the table, and how you can delete the table. So let me just open my SQL server. Now over here, as you can see, our database shop that we created in the last video is right here. So now I'm gonna add table into this database. So there is a simple query called create table. Table's name, I'm gonna name it products in my case, and then I'm gonna give the attributes into this brackets like its name, varchar. I'm gonna size this varchar and its comma, its id, and id is going to be int. Now what is meant by this varchar and this int? Now int means integer. It will store only integer value. It will store only numeric values like 100, 700, 250 and something like that. And varchar will store a character value and the size of that character value will be 100. So putting semicolon into the end, I'm gonna just execute this query. And here as you can see, our table has been created successfully. Now I'm gonna add data into this table. Now here there are two cases, if you have only one data or if you have more than one data. Now in case of one data, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write insert into tables names. I named it product, and I'm gonna give the attributes its name, comma, the id, and I'm gonna write value, and then I'm gonna give the value. I'm gonna give lays, and I'm gonna just end and comma 001. And one thing you have to keep in mind is that you have to write the character value into the quotation marks, else it will give you an error. So let me just show you here. Now as you can see, the data has been inserted, but it's only one data. What if we have more than one data? In that case, I'm going to write the query insert into tables names, products, the attributes, name, comma, id, and values. Now here I have changed the keyword value to values, right? As you can see that, and now I'm gonna add more than one value. You always have to keep in mind that you have to use the quotation marks with it, comma, and id is going to be 002. And another time I'm going to add some other values as well. I'm going to write Oreo, and then its id is going to be 003, comma, Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola, and its id is going to be 004, right? And now if I execute this query, now you can see no error sound. And over here you can see we have the data that we have inserted into the table. Now you can add as many columns as you want. So now I'm gonna show you how you can delete the table. In order to delete the table, you just have to write a simple query drop table and then table name products semicolon. So here it's giving me a confirmation message. Now I'm gonna click on OK, and here you can see the table has been deleted. Here as you can see, the table has been deleted. No tables found into the database. Now I have to delete the database too. So to do that, we have to write the similar query that we wrote to delete the table. We have to write drop database and the database's name shop, right, and semicolon. Now here it has deleted my database. As you can see, the database had been deleted. So I hope you guys understood